students, in this video we are in the third part of the chapter metals and nonmetals of class 8 and we will be discussing about occurrence of metals. Now how metals are obtained. So the processes and procedures that are involved in the extraction of metals, in the extraction of pure metals, that is known as metallurgy. So metallurgy is the process through which pure metals are extracted. Now question will arise in your mind that how metals are extracted? From what are they extracted? So now let us study this in detail. So metals are obtained from ores. Now what are ores? Ores are rocks. They are rocks, but they are not any common rock. They are the rocks in which metals are found in large amount and from which metals can be extracted easily and profitably. When I say easily, I mean that we are having the available technology with which we can extract that metal from that ore or that rock. And when I am talking about profitably, I mean that it should not happen that we are spending 1 crore rupees to extract 0.1 milligram of a metal from a ore. Means when I am saying profitably, I mean that I am spending some amount and the amount that I am spending is proportional to the metal that I am extracting. It's not that for obtaining or extracting 0.1 milligram or 0.01 milligram of an element or a metal, I'm spending 30-35 crores. So that rock will not be considered as an ore. So ores are the rocks from which minerals or metals can be extracted easily and profitably. This is the definition for ores. Now in ores, other than the minerals, some earthly impurities are also present, and those earthly impurities that are present in the minerals, in the ores, they are known as gangue. But you should pay attention on the spelling. Pronunciation is gangue, but the spelling is Gangue. It is also known as matrix. So what is gangue or matrix? Gangue or matrix are the earthly impurities that are present in the ores. So I hope that you have understood what are ores, what is metallurgy, what is gangue. Now let us try to learn or understand some important ores. So here are some metals like aluminium, iron, copper and zinc. So what are their ores? So what are the names of the ores from which we can get these elements? Suppose the first one is aluminium. So the ore of aluminium is bauxite. This table you should learn for standard 8 and the formula of bauxite is Al2O3. So bauxite, from bauxite you see it's Al2O3. You will study in senior classes that how from Al2O3 which process aluminium is extracted. But you should know for this class that the ore of aluminium is bauxite. Now there are many ores known for iron like magnetite, hematite, iron pyrites. You should know two for this class, I will say. The first one is hematite. That is a very important ore of iron and its formula is Fe2O3. You should know that what is hematite. Hematite is the ore of iron and its formula is Fe2O3. Now we are having iron pyrites also. Iron pyrites. Now their formula is FeS2, iron pyrites. Now copper, the ore of copper is copper glance. Copper glance, I am writing the spelling, it's copper glance and its formula is CuS. The formula for copper glance is CuS. Next, for zinc, the ore of zinc is zinc blende. Zinc blend, and its formula again is zinc sulfite, ZnS. So the ore of aluminium is bauxite. The ore of iron is hematite and iron pyrites. The ore of copper is copper glance, and the ore of zinc is zinc blende. So you should learn this table. This question is maximum time asked, that write the ore of aluminium, iron, copper and zinc, or you can be given that bauxite is an ore of which metal, hematite is an ore of which metal. One more is there, magnetite also you should know, that magnetite is the ore of iron. So these were some of the ores, metals and the process of metallurgy. Entire explanation of metallurgy is not included in your syllabus, but if you demand, then I will explain that also. So thank you for this video.